I will be using today is a bottle which I found in my storage, and a little dishwashing soap. So now first step is you have to go get some water into your bottle. Make sure you get only around this much because it's going to be a tornado. So now you can see that I got water in this bottle. So the next step is going to be, you have to take this dishwashing soap and only put a little into this water. Okay, so I'll be doing that. That's it. Now you have to close the cap of this bottle, and now you have to shake it in a way that a tornado forms. So I'll be shaking it. So as you can see, a tornado has formed in the bottle, but for a very short while. But I'll do it again.
Today I'm going to do a science experiment. So the experiment is a tornado in a bottle. So the ingredients you will need is some water in a bottle, some glitter or food coloring, some dishwashing soap, and some vinegar. So I'll keep some glitter. Now I will shake it vigorously. This is how it will come. So now I will flip the bottle. So there will be a circular line here. So a mini whirlpool or tornado will form inside the bottle, which will show how the currents meet towards the vortex. The vortex in the experiment is created when the gravity pulls a liquid through an opening from a rotating tornado. I hope you liked the video. Thanks.